Hello, everyone. On behalf of Forbes, Bessemer Venture Partners, and Salesforce Ventures, we are excited to reveal the 5th annual Cloud 100 list, now live today. The definitive ranking of the top private cloud companies in the world. This ranking serves as an industry benchmark and as a testament to the strength of tech's hottest category. Our 2020 Cloud 100 honorees represent a stunning $267 billion in market cap, and 87 of the companies are valued at $1 billion or more. In just a few moments, we'll showcase not only which companies made the top 10 of this year's list, but also highlight a few of its standouts. Let's dive in. The push to online shopping in 2020 amid the pandemic has really boosted digital storefronts, and that's reflected in one of our standout newcomers this year, Checkout.com, which debuts at number 15. In total, we had 27 new companies make the Cloud 100 list this year, and we saw plenty of movement in the top 20. Datadog, one of our top companies last year, went public in September 2019, just after last year's list launch, and graduates off this year's list. Databricks, Canva, and Toast all move up this year into the top 10. And Auth0 moves up 20 slots to slot in at number 19. The biggest movers in the top 20 in this year's Cloud 100 were Asana, Freshworks, and JFrog, all of which moved up 24 slots. Asana, a team management software tool led by Facebook co-founder Dustin Moskovitz, is the subject of our Cloud 100 profile in Forbes for this issue, the anti-Facebook, now available online and in newsstands near you. Some of the list's other biggest movers include Guild Education, which jumped 40 slots, and Pendo, which jumped 41. EdTech company Guild slots in this year at number 46, while Pendo in product analytics slots in at 54. Now let's talk about the top 10, the breakout companies in the Cloud 100 list. Boston-based Toast is valued at nearly $5 billion, providing software for restaurants, who can use all the help they can get right now. In data management, Silicon Valley-based Rubrik stays in the top 10, as its valuation has passed $3 billion. The subject of our 2018 Cloud 100 profile, Santa Barbara area-based PROCORE, stays in the top 10 for its construction management software. I've written a lot about Canva and Melanie Perkins, slotting in at number 7. Learn more about how Melanie built a global design software leader from Sydney, Australia, facing long odds in our December 2019 Forbes print cover story. We profiled Confluent way back in 2015. Now it's valued at more than $4.5 billion, and its data streaming software is powering some of the internet's most important websites. Based in San Francisco, Databricks is another data unicorn with an eye-popping valuation and the growth to match. The company is now valued at more than $6 billion. Open source darlings HashiCorp have grown a ton since founders Mitchell Hashimoto and Armin Dadgar made our Forbes 30 Under 30 list for 2017. Their business is now valued at more than $5 billion. Founded in Bucharest and now based in New York City, UiPath, the subject of our 2019 Forbes Cloud 100 cover story, has turned RPA, robotic process automation, into a more than $10 billion valuation. Despite continuing to be a leader in the payment space, our long-running number 1, Stripe, gives up that spot for this year and slots in at number 2. We have a new number 1 after 3 years. It's data infrastructure company Snowflake. Each year, it gets tougher to crack into the ranks of the Cloud 100. So this is a great achievement not just for the top 20 companies, but for the full 100 companies on the list, as well as the 20 younger breakout companies on our Rising Stars list. To dive into the full 2020 Cloud 100 list, please go to Forbes.com/Cloud100. Check out our interactive lander for breakouts of the companies by category, highlights of some of this year's standout companies, and much, much more. Be sure to join me and former NBA All-Star Baron Davis as we talk to several past and present Rising Star entrepreneurs who represent the new face of this important category. Congratulations to all 100 companies on the Cloud 100 list. We hope you enjoy the rest of the Cloud 100 event.